High-end tech retreats redefine the traditional notions of work and leisure by combining cutting-edge technology with the serene beauty of exotic locations. These retreats, often situated in picturesque landscapes or secluded paradises, provide a unique environment where innovation and relaxation seamlessly intertwine. The notion of escaping the confines of traditional offices is elevated to new heights as tech enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and industry leaders converge in these idyllic settings. With state-of-the-art facilities and the latest in connectivity, participants find themselves immersed in a world where collaboration, inspiration, and productivity thrive against the backdrop of stunning natural scenery. The allure of high-end tech retreats lies not only in the luxurious surroundings but in the carefully curated experiences that cater to the needs of tech-savvy professionals. Cutting-edge accommodations equipped with smart home technologies, virtual reality entertainment systems, and personalized AI-driven services create an environment that seamlessly integrates the comforts of modern living with the demands of the tech industry. Retreat organizers recognize the importance of an immersive tech experience, ensuring that attendees have access to the latest gadgets, prototypes, and innovations. From drone workshops to hands-on sessions with the newest virtual reality applications, these retreats foster an environment where participants can both relax and stay at the forefront of technological advancements. The unique juxtaposition of innovation and nature becomes a driving force behind the success of high-end tech retreats. Workspaces with panoramic views, whether nestled in the mountains or overlooking pristine beaches, provide a refreshing change from the monotony of conventional office settings. The natural surroundings become an integral part of the retreat experience, offering a respite for participants to recharge their creative energies. Outdoor meeting spaces, equipped with advanced audio-visual setups, allow for brainstorming sessions under the open sky, fostering a sense of connection with both the technological and natural worlds. Collaboration and networking take on a new dimension at high-end tech retreats, where industry leaders converge for a shared experience that goes beyond professional interactions. Exclusive access to renowned speakers, thought leaders, and innovators transforms these retreats into hubs of knowledge exchange and inspiration. Attendees have the opportunity to engage in discussions on the future of technology, emerging trends, and the impact of innovation on various industries. Fireside chats under the stars or tech-themed cocktail receptions create an informal yet enriching environment for forging connections that extend beyond the retreat itself. Moreover, high-end tech retreats recognize the importance of holistic well-being in the fast-paced world of technology. Wellness programs, including yoga sessions, meditation workshops, and outdoor fitness activities, provide a balance to the intense tech-focused agenda. Spa treatments and gourmet dining experiences contribute to the overall sense of rejuvenation, ensuring that participants leave not only with new ideas but also with a renewed sense of physical and mental well-being. The integration of wellness practices into the tech retreat experience reflects an understanding that innovation thrives in a healthy and balanced environment. The locations chosen for these retreats play a pivotal role in creating a unique atmosphere that fosters creativity and focus. From exotic islands to mountain retreats, organizers select destinations that offer not only a break from the routine but also a canvas for innovation. Whether it's a tech retreat set against the backdrop of the Northern Lights or one nestled in a rainforest with state-of-the-art facilities, the locations themselves become an integral part of the overall experience, contributing to the sense of adventure and discovery that defines high-end tech retreats. In conclusion, high-end tech retreats redefine the way professionals in the tech industry work, collaborate, and find inspiration. These retreats seamlessly blend innovation with the beauty of exotic locations, creating an environment where the boundaries between work and leisure blur. The integration of cutting-edge technology, thought leadership, and wellness programs reflects a holistic approach to professional development, recognizing that the future of innovation lies not just in technological advancements but in the harmony between human ingenuity and the natural world.